Welcome to Segurex. We are a Colombian company and a leader in lock manufacturing, recognized for delivering reliable access and security solutions. For over 60 years, we have been part of the spaces where life happens, protecting homes, supporting industries, and contributing to the safety of the people behind every door. Building brands that customers trust and rely on. Over time, we have strengthened our presence in the market through consistent performance. Security, for us, is about enabling confidence in everyday moments and in critical decisions alike. We continue to develop new access solutions aligned with current needs, integrating functionality, efficiency, and reliability into every product. Ensuring that each solution delivers consistent performance under different conditions. Segurex and Inifer represent that trajectory. Each product is developed with a clear focus on durability, precision, and long-term performance, ensuring that our solutions respond to real-world demands across different environments. Our manufacturing process reflects that commitment. From raw steel to final assembly, every stage is carefully managed to maintain quality and consistency. This level of control allows us to meet industry standards while continuing to improve how we design and produce our solutions. It also supports our ability to adapt, optimize resources, and remain competitive in a constantly evolving market.
The high quality of our products, excellence in service, and the strong commitment of our people are the pillars of our organization.
A key part of this process takes place in our testing and metrology laboratory. There, our products undergo demanding evaluations, including cycle testing, abrasion resistance, salt spray exposure, humidity, and UV performance. All testing is conducted under ANSI international standards. This is how we support the long-term reliability of our products and confidently offer a lifetime warranty on our Colombian manufactured locks. To respond to a broader range of needs, we have expanded our portfolio. We represent recognized brands such as Schlage, Falcon, Von Duprin, LCN, and Steelcraft. This allows us to provide complete integrated solutions for different types of projects and industries. Complementing our offering with solutions that include fire-rated doors, panic hardware, digital locks, and access control systems. Our growth has been driven by the quality of our products.
At Segurex, our people are our most valuable asset. Through them, we achieve every objective of our organization. That is why we are committed to their well-being and safety.
The consistency of our service, and the commitment of our team. This has allowed us to expand into markets across Latin America, strengthening our presence beyond Colombia. Segurex continues to evolve alongside the needs of our customers. We move forward with the same focus that has defined us for decades, delivering reliable access solutions with the quality and confidence our clients expect. Segurex, confidence that opens doors.